A growing hantavirus scare is casting a shadow over Argentina's famous southern tourism destinations, Ushuaia and Patagonia, places long associated with adventure, untouched wilderness, and remote beauty. For decades, Patagonia has symbolized outdoor exploration, while Ushuaia, often called the end of the world, has drawn travelers seeking Antarctic cruises and icy landscapes. But after a deadly hantavirus outbreak linked to the region, those names are now being tied to fears of another global health threat. Argentine authorities are investigating whether birdwatching excursions in the country's far south triggered the outbreak aboard the Dutch cruise ship MV Hondius. According to the World Health Organization's latest outbreak update issued on May 13th, 11 cases and 3 deaths had been recorded. 8 infections were laboratory confirmed as Andes virus, ANDV, 2 were considered probable, and 1 case remained inconclusive. Hantavirus symptoms initially resemble the flu, but the disease can quickly become far more dangerous. Certain strains can develop into severe pulmonary syndrome, causing fluid buildup in the lungs with fatality rates reaching 40%. The virus is usually contracted through exposure to particles from infected rodent droppings. However, the WHO stated that evidence now suggests human-to-human transmission may have occurred aboard the cruise ship. Alarm intensified after reports indicated an airline steward became infected after only brief contact with one of the passengers. Social media quickly erupted with fears of a new post-COVID style outbreak and speculation about its potential global impact. Since then, concerns have eased somewhat. The WHO currently classifies the public health risk for passengers on board the ship as moderate, while the broader global risk remains low. Health officials believe the close contact environment of the cruise ship likely contributed to transmission, and genetic analysis indicates the outbreak likely originated from a single spillover event from animals to humans. Still, the damage to tourism may already be underway. Ushuaia has experienced a massive boom in Antarctic cruise tourism, with passenger numbers rising 252% over the past decade. Yet travel agencies told The Independent they are already seeing fewer bookings for the upcoming summer season as fears surrounding the outbreak continue.